Well, we have some new developments to tell you about tonight at Roncalli High School, where a guidance counselor there is now suspended because of her marriage to a woman. We've learned tonight that a Roncalli board member just resigned today in protest of that decision. And also tonight at 5, our own Jenny Runovich looks into the legal fight ahead for Shelley Fitzgerald. Jenny?
Well, Andrea, the law nationally isn't settled on all of this. Still, she signed a contract. This is a religious organization. So experts say she could very possibly lose if this goes to court.
Shelley Fitzgerald's job counseling students still hangs in the balance.
Yeah, my life's not in limbo, but certainly my career is, obviously.
Roncalli High School on Tuesday banned Fitzgerald from campus, suspended her email account. As she first told Eyewitness News on Monday, who she loves has put the job she's loved for 15 years in jeopardy. Someone tracked down her marriage certificate, gave it to school leaders and the Archdiocese, who gave Fitzgerald a choice.
It was either that I could resign, that I could dissolve my marriage.
The school said she violated a signed contract and could be fired. By marrying a woman, she didn't convey the teachings of the Catholic Church. But is that legal?
She's going to have a hard time.
At least one expert says it is. Indiana law doesn't prohibit discrimination based on sexual orientation. And even though the city of Indianapolis does, Roncalli has a defense and exception because it's a religious organization. They can require employee behavior comply with religious beliefs.
But I think given our culture at the moment and given some gaps in the law, this woman's going to have a tough fight ahead of her.
The ACLU said today, quote, this instance highlights the need for Indiana's civil rights law to be updated to include gender identity and sexual orientation. And Drobak says this case could question whether Roncalli applies its contract rules consistently. Do all employees follow Catholic teachings in their personal lives?
Anyone using birth control, anyone accessing assisted reproductive technology, anybody who's not married but having premarital sex.
Now, Fitzgerald and her attorney won't discuss the details of her contract. The Archdiocese hasn't returned my phone calls for 2 days now. I did reach out to some Christian schools today about their contracts. Several do include moral requirements that have to be met by employees. Tonight at 6, by the way, we will share the incredible support that she says she's gotten since our report yesterday.
A lot of support here. Thank you so much. We'll see you at 6, Jenny. And we have more on this story on our website, including our interview with Shelley Fitzgerald. Just go to WTHR.com for more on this story.